Did you know the earliest recording of Sloop John B was back in 1935? Here are the chords we're going to be using for this song. We're going to use D, we're going to use A7, you can also use A major if you wanted to, we're going to use G major and also an E minor chord as well. And what we're going to do is going to look at 3 ways to strum it. And the first way is like this, and you can just do it quite simply, just down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, just down like that. We come on the Sloop John B, my grandpappy and me, round Nassau town we did roam. That's a nice simple way to strum it. But another nice way to strum it is like this, and the strumming pattern is on the screen right now. And how we're going to strum it is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and we come on the Sloop John B, my grandpappy and me, round Nassau town we did roam. It's a nice strumming pattern. It's a nice simple strumming pattern. It's one of those kind of all-purpose ones that you can use. But my third way of strumming this is using a technique called pick-strumming. And that's when you pick a note first before strumming the rest of the chord. Now for the D major chord, we're going to strum like this. So it's D, and in one bar, the first beat is we're picking the open D string, then a strum, down, up. And then for the third beat, we're picking the open A string. So it's 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Like so. For the A7 chord, we're going to pick the 5th string and the 6th string. Drinking all night, got into a fight. For the G major chord, we're going to pick the low 6th string and the 5th string. So it goes, got into a fight, yeah, yeah. And then for the E minor chord, we're going to pick the 6th string and the 5th string. Like so. So the whole song like this is going to sound. Come on the Sloop John B, my grandpappy and me, round Nassau town we did roam, drinking all night, got into a fight, yeah, yeah. I feel so breaker, I wanna go. Now a really nice way to connect the G major chord to the E minor chord is by doing something called a walk down. And that's when you do this. We're going from the G chord to the E minor chord. And you hear the walk down is like so. So we're picking the G, or the 3rd fret there. Then we're picking the 2nd fret of the same string before going back to the alternate picking the E minor chord. So it's a lovely way to connect the G major chord, and it's not just for this particular song. You can use it in any song that has those two chords, one after another. Now you could use that second finger to connect for the walk down to connect to the E minor, or you could use your first finger. It doesn't really matter. Either whichever way is comfortable for you. So give that a try. Let me know how you get on and tell me which of those strumming patterns you preferred. Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy strumming.